Hello guys, welcome back again. I have just completed the creation of each of the items. I have already added here from my this instructional page and through the these table columns, right? Okay, now I am going to run this page and do some orientation modification. Okay, just run this page. The things are coming as usual. I just changed something here. Each of the items are basically in text format, and I have to change the date field as a date figure. And every time when I add this item name here, and I have to change the things also in this portion. Okay, I have to show this in database column section, and the things are changed here without the p16 page number, and this is the database column name. Okay, and this is the column name, joining date or something else. Every item I have added in this way. Okay, and another things I have made change here, and this is the things is and this is the things is employee image. Okay, and employee image, because I changed this because of I have to browse the image from my PC. That's why I have changed this employee image to file upload type. Okay, and everything is same. And another things, I have added a code here, and when I put date of birth column some having some values, then this will calculate a perform a calculation to add the retirement date column value. Okay, I just put a simple select query here, that p16 date of birth, 57 years into 12, that means the retirement age will be 57 years. Okay, from dual, and it will be inserted item to submit page date of birth, p16 date of birth, and items will be written in this column. Okay, retirement date, and everything another things are just as usual. Just copy the item name from here and rename the column name with that item, and also add that item in the database source section as a database column. Okay, and another query we already in our previous part we already show that here we can handle the image, though the p16 employee image is now available, image column is now available. So if I run the things, I hope we will see a structure here, though we didn't add some data here still. So we are going to add new employee, and I have to add some test suppose first name Anam, middle name Saiful, and last name Hassan. Okay, and joining date, when I click on any joining date, you can see the retirement date will automatically calculate. Why not? It's not automatically calculated. Okay, when I put something Anam Saiful Hassan, joining date, why it's not calculated? Okay, I have to check the things, not joining date, sorry, we have to put it on a date of birth. Okay, just a misconception. So I will put some test data here. Kabir, mother name, and email, I will put these things, and as usual mobile number and passport number, I put anyone, and I have to put a image here. Okay, I will put the image, and in date of birth section you can see when I put date of birth, then this retirement date is calculated with the 57 years. Okay, then freedom fighter, I put it N, gender M, disable status no, marital status married, religion status M, and tax location city, that means C. We will use the list item here. That's why I just put the short values here, so next time we will see that. Okay, now I have to click on add button, and hopefully I have to check that data is inserted. Okay, data is inserted, and I have to check it in database column, database also. I put refresh, I put refresh, though refresh is not available because of some recording key. No problem, we are just see the output when we place on cancel button. We see that enum cycle is already added here, right? And this picture is still not available. Okay, so we have to edit these things right here, and we have to handle this image first, the image is displayed or not. So I am going to click on this portion, that is the this query portion. So I am going to click on here, and p16 image available here, no problem. So I have to change the image type. Okay, and it should be %graph. I have to save the things and run the things, so we can see the image is available here. Okay, so now I'm going back to the classic report section to check the why not the picture won't show here. So I'm going to edit this page again, and I have to go column name, it's also %graph, but why not it's running. Okay, I have to check. Okay, I have to change these things to p16. Okay, then I compile these things and save the page again and run the page. You can see the page is already modified, and it show the modified value. Okay, so this is the first part of the tutorial, though the video are already gone third part because of the lengthy. So in fourth section or fourth part, we will see how we can add another detail section here. And now I am going to align the image right side of this region. Okay, so I am going to below image region, and I have to stop this start new row option, and the image will be right sided of that region. And when I run these things, I saw that image will be here. Okay, and now when I click on edit button, then you can see here is the image. Okay, so and another question is that in employee image section, if I name these things as nvsp, so hopefully the image name won't show up here. So when I run these things, image name will already gone, and I have to hide these things. Okay, hidden column, then we will see that the image is perfectly displayed. And another some alignment things we have to adjust here in this region. Just I am to adjust the things, just give me a few second, I will fix the things right off. Okay, when I start new row and save the things, we can see a more lucrative presentation. Okay, and another things, the image is just taking the lot of space, so I have to adjust these things also. I'm click here, and I have to put this column span automatic to 4. Okay, then I'm going to save these things again. When we run, then we can see these things is already just gone through that side, and I have to make this column span to 8, as we know that the column span are side by side as 12. Okay, that's why we have to adjust these things. For your requirement, you can adjust more. Okay, to see the visual presentation lot more. When you put this into 3, you have to put this into 9. Okay, then the view will be perfectly adjust, and run these things, then it will be more perfect. Okay, in next part, in fourth part, we will see the how we can add the detail portion in the below. Okay, not only one region, we can use multiple region, and we will be hover that things to the display selector, just like this. Okay, just like this. um, uh, okay, just top and button. Okay, so this is the topics till right now. So thank you for watching, and those who are still not subscribed my channel, please do the subscribe, and like my video if the things are clear, and if things are not clear, please let me know, and I will fix the things if anything issue happen here. Okay, we will modify the page later, no problem. So we'll learn the things step by step. Thank you so much, thank you for watching, and happy learning. Bye, see you later. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.